Hey everyone, let's talk Chainlink. All right, we have some Chainlink breaking news as we talk about one of my favorite cryptos as we get into the topics of RWA and the movers kind of within those blue chips, right, in that top 25. Chainlink, in my opinion, still very much undervalued for what I'm looking at within my high conviction plays that will take us through this altcoin season and into the next bull run. If you call it a bull run, who knows where we're at? Honestly, it really, quite frankly, does not matter. We have so much to talk about when it relates to cryptocurrency. Bitcoin at 120, Ethereum over 4,000. What could go wrong? Okay, but Chainlink still very much below all-time highs. It's very relevant for our discussion today, and let's get into my thoughts. If you are new to the channel, though, make sure you guys all hit that like button. Please subscribe down below. If you do enjoy talking crypto each and every single day, say what's up down below in the comments as we get this discussion rolling, okay? We are going to turn the attention to kind of the red day that we're having in the market. Please remember, though, guys, as we discuss crypto, none of this is financial advice. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence, okay? But we will pull up kind of what Link is doing, down 2.6%. They've had a very solid week and month as we look at that 29 and 46% respective gains that we have had, and essentially doubling in price. And for those of you that do watch my stuff every single day, we were calling Chainlink under $10 ever so slightly, that it did live below $10, but that was just simply put a $50 crypto that is basically trading 20% of its value. You know, you kind of just have to connect the dots, especially in a market where Bitcoin is doing exceedingly well and RWAs are at the forefront of the discussion, okay? So let's get into what we came here to talk about. But first, guys, if you are looking for a new exchange, sign up today with BITUNIX. All right, BITUNIX is an affiliate of mine. Great sign-up promotions. You will get to enjoy those perks by using my link down below in the description. By signing up, you will be able to trade spot and leverage, all right, on BITUNIX. A lot of users have made the switch. Over 3 million plus global users. That's where you can find over 800 trading pairs and 5 billion in futures trading volume. So very, very well established and trusted exchange out there in the space. So if you are looking to start trading on a new exchange, please use my link down below. Start trading today with BITUNIX. Make sure it's right for you, where you're located, understand their jurisdictional concerns if you are in certain regions that it is intended to be so, to make sure that you guys are able to use and trade on every platform we talk about. Just do your own research and make sure it's the best decision for you before getting started, okay? But that link's down below if you do want to start trading on BITUNIX, but let's get the attention back into Chainlink because that's what we're here to talk about. They have teamed up with a New York Stock Exchange parent, ICE, okay, to bring the Forex and precious metal data on chain, okay? This is where we see teaming up with the Intercontinental Exchange. Now, this is the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange, bringing those foreign exchange and precious metals pricing to the pricing data to blockchain networks, okay? So just another partnership, another kind of a step along the evolution of what Link is looking to bring to the world. And this partnership will add the ICE's consolidated feed. This will be a data set that is sourced from over 300 exchanges and marketplaces worldwide to Chainlink's data streams, which will serve 2,000 on-chain applications, financial institutions, and infrastructure providers. Okay, so by incorporating this will deliver pricing feeds that meet accuracy and latency requirements for traditional capital markets that will support the new generation of tokenized assets, okay? So essentially, real-time numbers, and Chainlink will be powering this as it relates to what the New York Stock Exchange is bringing to the fold. And this is kind of just showing the evolution and the roadmap of blockchain, okay? It doesn't really shake the charts. It's not going to make Chainlink triple in value just based on this announcement, but it's just another stepping stone along the roadmap. And a lot of people will think this is a nothing burger, okay? But you have enough of these going in the right direction. That's when that investor sentiment starts picking up some steam, and we get to really realize kind of what Chainlink is doing and building behind the scenes. Now, this is something where it is kind of in line with that broader trend where we see the blockchain kind of getting into the traditional financial markets and being more so there for utility, okay? Not kind of in the everyday use for the retail traders out there, but more so for corporations and companies alike. This is where they're starting to realize and utilize the importance of blockchain technology within what they're building, okay? Marissa Baumann, the VP of Global Data Delivery at ICE, said in a statement that this collaboration with Chainlink will give them trusted, structured, multi-asset class data from traditional markets and crypto applications. This is a key step for growing for that blockchain economy. Okay, so just another thing that does I think epitomize what we're looking at when we talk RWAs. Okay, and we talk RWAs, tokenization is the word of 2025. Probably will be the word in 2026 as well. Okay, but this is hundreds of trillions of dollars in assets. Okay, that we're talking about here within the market that is, in my opinion, just completely untapped when we talk about tokenization and what this will do for the world moving forward. Okay, the way that we've been doing it, you pretty much can throw that right out the window, and a Chainlink will be one of the providers as we look to take this initiative to the next level. And that's just kind of why it's a bullish headline for Chainlink on the day. Okay, so before we get out of here, I do want to share with you guys kind of this chart as we look at the Chainlink data here on TradingView, and you can kind of see what I've been looking at and kind of some of my figures that I have been drawing. Obviously, it's not financial advice, but we have been in a little bit of a trend line here, stemming back from April, March of 2022, 2023, where Chainlink continues to build. This is nice, slow, and steady organic growth. I know we've had some peaks and valleys, but in comparison to the all-time high data that we've had back in 2021, where it was just basically sudden, this gives you a little bit more so of a reason to get excited, because yes, we are possible. Yes, it is possible to have that parabolic explosion that we all crave and demand as crypto traders, right? We welcome in that volatility, but also when we talk about a crypto such as the likes of Chainlink that has an actual use case for our real world applications, I really like to see nice, slow, steady organic growth. And I think that's what's provided by Link as we look back at the last two plus years here on the charts. Okay, so I'll leave you all with that. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Please subscribe down below for exiting this video. Also, we did talk about BITUNIX a little bit earlier on, so check out that sign up promotion. If you click my link, it will take you over to that affiliate page where you can get signed up, registered, and start trading today. All right, enjoy it. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys all tomorrow in the next video. Cheers.